NPTEL is today one of the biggest repositories of technical courses in engineering and sciences in the world.
These courses are freely accessible on the portal nptel.ac.in and are distributed under the Creative Commons CC BY SA license.
NPTEL तो शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में एक बहुत ही बड़ी क्रांति है।
NPTEL यानी नेशनल प्रोग्राम ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी इनहैंस्ड लर्निंग की ये पहल गांव और देश के बड़े छोटे शहरों के उन बच्चों के लिए है जिन्हें बेहतरीन शिक्षकों या संस्थानों से पढ़ने का मौका नहीं मिल पाता। इसके तहत टेक्स्ट, ऑडियो और वीडियो के माध्यम से कई कोर्सेज उपलब्ध कराए जा रहे हैं जिन्हें देश के IIT और IIS के प्रोफेसर्स ने तैयार किया है। 1 जुलाई 2015 से ऑनलाइन सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स की शुरुआत हो रही है जिसमें कंप्यूटर साइंस, एरोस्पेस समेत 24 कोर्सेज शामिल किए जाएंगे। ये सारे कोर्सेज पूरी तरह से फ्री हैं और कोई भी रजिस्ट्रेशन करवा सकता है। विशेष जानकारी onlinecourses.nptel.ac.in पर उपलब्ध है।
The one question that many parents, students and other teachers have asked is that why redo the effort? There are video lectures available from many other websites, many other platforms, etc. Why redo it? The answer is simple. To me, the answer is very simple. The way I teach it in India, because I know what is the background these students come from, what is being covered in class 11 and 12, what can be the lacuna of them, that is not possible for an American or an European or a Singaporean or a Hong Kong or somebody anybody outside this Indian education system to guess or know. So their lectures may be useful or may not be useful. But I am sure, I am at least all of us, all of my fellow colleagues and teachers and me at least, we are aware of the shortcomings and and what is being taught in the schools, etc. So for Indians, we require an Indian system by an Indian.
I am Shantanu Bhattacharya, and you may recall that I have been teaching this course on Manufacturing Systems Technology Part 1. This course was being supported by the NPTEL initiative. I do remember about how after each lecture there would be an editing of the video and there would be a comment which would be invited by the speaker and accordingly and commensurately the changes be made. And so the whole level of perfection that is needed from a studio to the final lecture delivery which you guys have seen, that walkway or that journey has been a phenomenal journey.
मेरा नाम ठाकुर वत्स सिंह है और मैं कानपुर से आया हूँ PSIT से और वहाँ पर एज ए मैनेजमेंट फैकल्टी हूँ MBA में। ऑपरेशन रिसर्च और स्टैटिस्टिक्स सब्जेक्ट्स को मैं डील करता हूँ। वैसे बेसिक बैकग्राउंड हमारा मैथमेटिक्स है। तो इसमें हमने NPTEL से जो है 5 कोर्सेज में कर चुका हूँ, 5 सर्टिफिकेट कर चुका हूँ मैं। अच्छा। हाँ, तो इसमें एक तो हमने ऑपरेशन रिसर्च का किया है और दूसरा जो है न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस पर किया है। अच्छा। और बेटर स्पोकन इंग्लिश का किया है और इसके बाद जो है ये वाला किया, लीनियर अलजेब्रा किया।
ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन आपको कैसा लगा?
ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन वेरी नाइस, बहुत बढ़िया यहाँ का है और अच्छा किया है।
I must congratulate IITs for taking this initiative to take education and the contents that they have as part of NPTEL to all the people, particularly the student community who can benefit a great deal.
I am Varsha Bhosle. I am Associate Professor in Department of IT and Vice Principal at Vidyalankar Institute of Technology. I came to know about the NPTEL courses because we encourage our faculty and students to undergo these NPTEL courses. I just happened to see the list of courses where I like this introduction to data analytics very much. So I enrolled myself and went into it. I did it very sincerely with whatever time I could devote because I gave the online exam.
I'm currently working in CAD Center as a trainer for ANSYS, CFD and everything. And I took an online course for computational fluid dynamics, that is foundation of computational fluid dynamics.
We're all final year students, we're all placed in telecom domain. So we thought taking up a course related to telecom would help us. So we took up the course principles of MIMO, OFDM and CDMA wireless communication in NPTEL, and it helped us a lot in improving our knowledge about wireless.
I'm a student in LDRP College, Gandhinagar. Today I have given an examination in basic electrical circuits in the course of NPTEL.
I took the course Introduction to Airplane Performance.
I took course Foundation on Computational Fluid Dynamics.
इस कोर्स के माध्यम से सारे यंग स्टूडेंट
जो एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं उनको पूरा बेनिफिट मिले।
Online course, the teaching was superb. The faculty was really good, and yeah, it was overall a very good experience.
The organization was fine. The question paper setup, it was good.
The quality of video lectures is really good.
Quality is
It is absolutely amazing. Seriously, I mean, I'm taking this, another person from my college has taken it in another center, and both of us feel that the teaching was absolutely brilliant throughout the course. And it's not only theory, even practice is there. They actually showed us through the flight lab, and they actually had very, very practical examples.
So symmetrical changes.
Appreciating Carnatic music. I was looking for some kind of program like this. The entire program was really good.
Hi, we at Google have been working with NPTEL for the last 6 years. They've done an amazing job of bringing so much engineering education material online. They are the best hope for providing a high quality education to hundreds of thousands of Indians.
The lectures were really good and everything came from the lecture itself, and the exam was also okay, so it was quite useful for us.
I took the course in Introduction to C Programming, and I felt that it was really useful because like in our colleges they don't take at this high level of programming, and I found the videos very useful because like it made me think out of the box.
I attended principles of MIMO, CDMA and OFDM technology by Aditya Jagannathan.
I am working as an engineering manager. This is the first time I felt that some course for working professionals, and it is well organized as such, and thanks for the NPTEL organization as such for conducting this type of courses.
Definitely once you get hooked onto this particular process of learning, you will find that you can learn at your own pace and time, and you will also be benefited with a certification which is also stamped by industry, and therefore you will find it is an employment facilitator.
I hope it reaches as many students as possible, and best wishes to all the students who want to participate in this effort.
This program will be the harbinger of a big intervention in India in the area of online education, so that we can address the grand challenge of providing high quality and useful education to a very, very large number, probably the largest number of youngsters in the world. Thank you.